Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm account eligibility and have ID and passport handy. Once done, open the My Jio app. Tap Profile, then Services, and choose Roaming. This starts the activation flow. Make sure your plan supports international roaming or be ready to buy a roaming pack. If you prefer, you can also activate via Jio Care Chat or by calling customer care. Use the in-app dialer for faster verification. Keep your device on and connected while the request is submitted. Once you've opened the roaming section, select the country and choose the exact dates you'll be abroad. This ensures correct billing. Then compare available packs. Look at daily versus fixed validity data, included minutes and SMS. Pick the one matching your usage. Next, confirm payment method: wallet, UPI, card, or postpaid bill carryover. After payment, you'll receive an SMS and email confirmation. Make sure the start date matches your travel plans before proceeding. You'll finalize by restarting your phone and turning on data roaming in settings. Once done, the phone should register on local networks automatically. If it doesn't, try manual network selection or toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds. Sometimes switching 4G/3G preferred mode helps. If problems persist, contact Jio Care and provide your IMEI and SIM ICSID along with the activation receipt. This speeds resolution. One key tip: verify any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.